Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to change a section design in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then click on the website you want to design this section for. This is a section. Let's work on this section. For example, just select it like that. As you can see, when a section is selected, a blue line outlines the section. Now click on this section colors icon. You can see that you can use three or select between three styles. Let's see the first style, the second one, and the third one. You can also use an image. Yes, you can use an image for the background. Just go to image, and you can either upload it from your computer or select it from the gallery. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google site, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally, managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Let's select this image, for example. Select your image first, then click on insert. As you can see, this is the image I've just selected. After designing your section, don't forget to save your changes by hitting the publish button. Click on publish again, and let's view my website live. Scroll down to this section, and this is how to change a section design in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.